Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Replika AI Girlfriend. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first step, what you need to do is open the Replika app on your device. Once it's open, you will see the option to create an account. To do this, simply click on sign up with Google and choose your email ID. Next, you have to set up your account. After selecting your email, you will be prompted to enter your name. Once you have done that, click continue. Then enter your date of birth and click continue again. Next, you will be asked to select your interests, choose what are topics you are interested in and click continue. You will now see various avatar options. Pick one that you like and click continue. You will be asked to name your avatar and select its gender. Once entering these details, click the check mark to proceed. You can further customize your avatar by selecting hair color, style, screen color, and other attributes. Adjust these settings according to your preference, and once you are happy with your choices, click Finish Customization. Now you can interact with your replica. After customization, your replica friend will be ready. You can start interacting with it by clicking Meet. Upon meeting your replica, you might receive daily rewards which can be used for various features in the app. To start a conversation, simply type a message in the chat box. Your replica will respond and you can continue the conversation as you like. You can also send photos, ask questions, and explore other entertainment options available in the app. If you want to customize further, you can do so by visiting the store or checking out your profile. By clicking on your profile, you can see your avatar's progress, adjust settings, and manage your account. You can also access options like subscription management and other customization features. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Replika AI Girlfriend. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. And if you face any difficulties regarding this video, feel free to let us know in the comment box. Till then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.